Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're diving into the best dash cams for cars in 2025. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just want extra security on the road, having the right dash cam can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be breaking down the top 5 dash cams of 2025, covering everything from video quality and night vision to AI-powered safety features and smart connectivity. Whether you need 4K recording, parking surveillance, or hands-free voice controls, we got a dash cam that fits your needs. We'll compare their performance, ease of use, and value for money to help you make the best choice. If you're interested in any of these dash cams, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. Number 5. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a compact and discreet option that easily fits behind your rearview mirror. Despite its small size, it records in full HD at 30 frames per second with HDR, ensuring sharp and balanced footage in various lighting conditions. During testing, installation was effortless thanks to its simple plastic arm and ball-and socket mount, allowing easy angle adjustments. While it lacks a built-in screen, it compensates with shortcut buttons for quick clip, saving, and microphone muting. The Garmin Drive app, available for both iOS and Android, streamlines footage management and settings adjustments. The camera includes voice control and a G sensor for collision detection, but it does not have built-in GPS, which may be a downside for some users. Despite the lack of GPS, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 excels as a reliable, user-friendly dash cam that requires minimal maintenance. If you're looking for a set-and-forget dash cam with solid performance and discreet design, this is an excellent choice. Number 4. The Vantrue E1 dashcam is a stylish and compact model that delivers 2.5K video at 30 frames per second or a smoother full HD 60 frames per second option. In testing, its video quality stood out with sharp details, accurate colors, and minimal noise, even in low-light conditions. A polarizing filter helps reduce dashboard reflections, and the 160 degrees lens provides wide road coverage. The magnetic mount makes installation simple, but since it lacks sideways adjustments, proper placement is essential. A 1.54-inch screen aids initial setup, while the smartphone app provides an easier way to fine-tune settings and view footage. Though it doesn't include advanced driver assistance, the E1 features Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity, offering essential location tracking and easy file transfers. With a focus on image clarity over extra features, the Vantrue E1 is a solid choice for drivers prioritizing high-quality footage. Its blend of performance, ease of use, and compact design makes it one of the best mid-range dash cams available today. Number 3. The Nextbase IQ is a premium smart dash cam designed for comprehensive vehicle surveillance. Available in 1K, 2K, and 4K versions, it provides crystal clear footage alongside GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity. This model offers advanced security features, including parking assistance and remote car monitoring via the Nextbase IQ app. One of its standout features is voice-activated witness mode, which lets you capture important events hands-free. During testing, setup was straightforward, and the app provided easy access to all settings and footage. The 4K model delivered exceptional video clarity, making it ideal for capturing details like license plates and street signs. Since the Nextbase IQ connects directly to your car's battery, it enables 24/7 surveillance, even when the car is parked. However, a paid subscription is required to unlock its full capabilities, which may increase the overall cost. While it's on the higher end of the market, its advanced safety and security features make it an excellent choice for those who want more than just a recording device. Number 2. The Cobra SC 400D is a high-tech dash cam packed with premium features, catering to drivers who want more than just video recording. With Alexa compatibility, it allows for hands-free voice control, making it easy to operate while driving. The Drive Smarter app enhances usability, offering cloud storage, real-time alerts, and additional driving insights. Equipped with ample storage capacity, it surpasses many competitors in its ability to store extended footage. During our tests, its video clarity matched top brands like Nextbase, delivering crisp recordings. The SC400D also supports rear and interior cameras, making it a versatile option for full coverage. However, at over $300, this dash cam competes with some of the best in the industry, requiring it to justify its price with standout performance. For those who prioritize connectivity, smart features, and convenience, the Cobra SC400D offers cutting-edge tech in a sleek and reliable package, making it a great option for tech-savvy drivers. Number 1. The AZDOME M550 Max is a feature-rich dash cam that stands out with its triple-channel recording, capturing footage from the front, interior, and rear. The 4K front camera ensures high-resolution clarity, while the 1080p rear and interior cameras provide additional coverage. A 170 degrees wide-angle lens effectively captures road conditions, and built-in GPS and Wi-Fi enable easy location tracking and video sharing through the AZDOME app. During our tests, night vision performance was excellent, delivering crisp footage even in low-light environments. The G sensor detects collisions, while parking mode keeps your car monitored when it's off. While its design isn't as compact as some competitors, installation remains straightforward, and the user-friendly interface makes operation easy. If you need a full coverage dash cam that provides detailed recordings, GPS tracking, and night vision, the AZDOME M550 Max is a fantastic choice for all-around vehicle security. And these are the best dash cams of 2025. If you want more details about any of these dash cams, check the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or suggestions for our next review or comparison, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, goodbye and take care.